Begambirwa hamukuru gukwakira abafaza ba missionaries na no kujweka abana barukuruga Omuneneserezo kuzum primary ahari St Joseph's Preparatory School mu Masheruka Town Council mu district ya Sheema. Aba bakira abafaza bo mu kitinisa obwe bari kutambura nabo kuruga kanyeganije inkakamanyiso k'aba missionary ako bakozere bari kwije mu ihanga.
When you follow the commandments of God, when you follow the teachings of God, when you honor your parents, when you obey your teachers, when you do your responsibilities well, when you study well, God will smile.
Not only they have said like that, and also they said, our mothers who are putting short clothes, they disturb us, walking around. When they reach the public, they start pulling it down. We are going to pull it down. Because my children, they have started knowing what is right and what is it. This is the morality we need to raise, that the children should know what is bad and what is it. So, try to aim higher.
Abebembezi bishomereri behanangiriza abazira habagambe barukugambira abana babo omukubakuza.
Omuzire urukwekanasha ninga kwe kurra wayetombwitira omwana wawe nugubagwa bomucire na hamwana. Buri izoba kubura kutekateka ninga kugira rukundo omwana wawe nicuba kinaza omwana. Buri kuringuriza omwana wawe yagira hiyaza ukabura kukifaho akaruga yayine bizubu no wamuretera bizubu kandi witiye hanga rye.
To act for them, which doctors also enjoy to sacrifice them. Don't we have chicken or cows that our forefathers used it to sacrifice? Government to act without mercy to eliminate these criminal practices.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Michael atwakire.
Lord, our faith.